Very good afternoon, everyone. We are so happy that all of you could join us today for El Profe Steps Virtual Christmas Gala. I would like to welcome our Director Principal, Dr. Amrita Vora, our Pre-Primary Principal, Ms. Aarti Kaval, our Communication Head, Ms. Sugandha Khandelwal, our coordinators, Ms. Nikita Patel and Ms. Namita Singh, our lovely parents, and our children, or should I say, our junior master chefs. Any festivals are incomplete without special, delicious, and yummy treats. To keep our Christmas spirits high, today we have with us the mastermind behind Growing Chef, Miss Ekta Malhotra, who will conduct a fireless cooking session for all you junior master chefs. Growing Chef Studio exclusively runs culinary programs for children of age 4 onwards. Ms. Ekta Malhotra has been a part of early childhood education field for over 8 years. She has used her experience to create a unique hands-on culinary program for children. Her love for food and enthusiasm to teach children has resulted in Growing Chefs. Growing Chef Studio focuses on complete hands-on baking and cooking with age-appropriate tools. Apart from cooking clubs and holiday camps, they even host baking and cooking birthday parties. Currently, they are hosting online classes and providing do-it-yourself baking kits. I would request all of you to join me in welcoming the very passionate and creative Chef Ekta Malhotra. And without any further delay, I would like to hand over the screen to her. Over to you, Chef.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Or should I say it's good noon? We're starting exactly at 12. Is everyone excited? Give me a thumbs up. One thumbs up if you're a little excited, two thumbs up if you're very excited. Put it near your camera if you're really, really excited. Very good. All right. So today I'm a chef, but I'm also a reindeer. I'm going to help Santa get you nice. We're going to make nice cookies for Santa, and we're going to make like lots of candy, lots of things with lots of candies for him. Is everyone ready for that? Everybody has everything with them? Very good. Okay. So I'm going to keep asking you sometimes, are you ready? Are you following me? Are you done? If you have done it, if you finished, give me a thumbs up. Okay? If you've not done it, or you're finding it difficult, or you want me to go slow, give me a thumbs down. Okay? And then I will wait for you to finish. Okay? Got it, everyone? Very good. Excellent. I love so many people that are there and everyone is talking with me. This is the only way we can talk. Thumbs up and thumbs down. Good. All right. So the first thing we're going to do today is we are going to make some really nice pops. Has anybody ever heard of the Grinch? Give me a thumbs up if you've heard of Grinch, or thumbs down if you've never heard of the Grinch. Yes? Have you all watched the movie also? There's a book, there's a movie about the Grinch. So the Grinch was somebody who was not sharing a lot and he was not very happy about Christmas. But then lots of things happen. We all will find out when you read the book or you watch a movie about it, about what it is. Okay? So the Grinch, the color of the Grinch is green. Okay? His face is green and he has a nice Christmas hat. So we're going to make that first. Okay? The first thing that we need, we are going to keep with us. Keep everything else outside and only bring in front of you what I asked you to. Okay? We need our toothpicks. We need our grapes. We need strawberries. We need a banana. We need a chopping board, a fork, and a butter knife. Okay, so bring all that in front of you, everyone. Yes, got it? Good. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut the green parts of our strawberries. Do we eat these leaves of the strawberries? No, we don't eat them, right? So we're going to learn how to cut it. All we need is a butter knife. We don't use sharp knives. We only use a butter knife. Okay. So what we're going to do is hold all your leaves together. Okay. And hold your strawberry by the leaves. So it becomes easy for you to cut. Okay. Keep it down. Take your butter knife and where the white part is, just gently go front and back and cut off the tops. We don't want the tops. Tops we are going to put away into a separate bowl. Okay. So let's do that for about 4 strawberries. Yeah, we'll all do 4 strawberries. Hold it by the leaves. Take your butter knife and then go front, back, and chop it off. If you're done with it, you can show me in your camera also that you're done with it. Very nice. Okay, some of y'all are already ready with it. Already chopped it off and kept it. Excellent. Should I move ahead? Thumbs up. Should I move ahead? Good. Next thing I'm going to teach you is I'm going to teach you how to slice. So right now what we did, we just chopped off the tops of the strawberry. Next thing we're going to learn is how to slice a banana. Do you know what the word slice is? Slice means when you cut it into thin, long strips. But here we'll be doing round slices. Okay? So let's take your banana. Even if your banana is old, remember, even if it's turned black, it's still nice. There's nothing wrong with a banana that's turned black. Okay? Let's peel our banana. And let's keep it on the chopping board. Okay. Now the next step, I want you to all first watch me. So everybody pick up your hands up in the air. Now hands behind your back. Hands behind your back so you're not doing anything. Okay. Now only watch what I'm doing first. After I finish doing it, I'll watch you doing it. So in case you're making a mistake or you're not able to do it, I'll be able to help you. Okay. So everybody is going to watch. We're going to take our fork and this is going to help us make same size slices. So we're going to take our fork and we're going to put it in our banana like this. Don't put it fully through, only slightly, just so that we can fold it easily. Okay. So with our left hand, or if you're left in the right hand, we're going to fold it like this. Then we're going to take our butter knife and wherever these lines are, there's space between the fork, we're going to go and we're going to slice. 1, 2, 3. Remember, don't put the fork fully through, otherwise your slice will turn into 2 pieces. Okay, like this. Yeah. So we'll get nice round and thin slices. Okay. So can we all make 4 slices, everybody? I'll show it again. Put your fork, but don't push it through. Just slightly. Okay. Hold it with your other hand, whichever you don't write with. The hand which you write with, hold the knife in that hand. Put it in the hole and slice. So we need to make 4 slices. Alright, now everybody start. Let me watch you do it. Once you're done, you can give me a thumbs up. Okay, the answer is still waiting. Yes, yes, yes.
I can see the children having so much of fun.
Everybody done? I can see almost, I think everybody is almost done, yeah? Give me a thumbs up. Nice big thumbs up. Very good. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, with the remaining of our banana, we also need to make the top of Santa's hat, right? Santa's hat. I can see somebody is wearing a Santa's hat. Who's wearing a Santa's hat? See what's at the end of your Santa's hat? There's a little bit of white cotton, right? So we need to make that part also. So you can take one extra slice, right? And we're going to cut it into 4 pieces. So you don't need to hold the banana just with your other hand. First we cut half. Okay. Then you can turn it around and again cut it in half. So that means totally we got 4 pieces. This is called a quarter. 1/4. Right? Come on. Can you make 4 small pieces now? Those of us who are using kitchen knives, be careful and please listen to your parents while they're giving you the instructions. Okay? Those who are using butter knives, you can do it completely on your own. Excellent. Everyone done with their 4 small pieces also? Good. Thank you for the thumbs up. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our toothpick. All right. So with our toothpick, we're going to make the Grinch. Now you have to be careful. The toothpick has a pointy edge, right? You can see it has one pointy edge and it has one edge which is flat. Okay. So we're going to use the pointy edge. We hold it from the flat side and from the pointy edge, we can put things inside. So we're going to take our washed grapes. Now see, your grape also has a hole in it where the stem used to be. Yeah. So we're going to take this pointy edge, put it where the hole used to be. Hold the grape from the sides, not from the top, because the pointy edge is going to come out from here. Hold the grape from the sides and push it through till it comes out. Okay. We'll get it slightly down. So we have enough place to hold it, but the grape is over here. Okay, let's do that for 4 toothpicks. Everyone done with their 4? Show me somebody. Anyone can show me what they've done? Let me see. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Now make sure that you have enough space on top because we still have to put banana, strawberry and another banana piece. Okay. So we'll bring this as down as we can with keeping enough place to hold it. Yes. Now next thing. First comes the snow, the little bit of cotton at the edge of Santa's hat, right? So we're going to take the banana. Now find the middle of your banana, the center part, okay? Put it through. Make sure that you're holding it from the sides, not from the center. We take it and we push it through. And then we take our strawberry and the same way we put our strawberry. Everyone reach till the strawberry? Put one banana. Yes, very good. I saw the banana. Now put the strawberry also on it. I'll wait. Let's do one full first and then you all can do the rest. After the strawberry, keeping the round side in front of the banana, we put a small piece of banana. There's your Grinch. The Grinch wearing a Santa hat. Alright, now let's make all 4. Can everybody make all 4 now? If you feel like having a snack while you're cooking, you can do that also. This is a nice thing to snack while you're making. I can see somebody's already started eating. So what we'll do is, after everyone's done, we'll take one picture with everybody holding their Grinch pop.
Arhan is ready with his Grinch pop.
Oh, Madhav, that looks lovely.
Very good. I can see few more Grinch
Should we
pops
all
that are
hold one?
ready.
Let's all hold one. Maybe someone can take a picture of all of us holding it. There you go. Big smiles. Let me see. Oh, lovely. Nice, Shivansh. Poonam. Excellent. Who wants to try one and let me know how it is? You can put it in the chat. Who wants to try it and let me know how it tastes? Yes? Very good. How was it, Kritika? Did you enjoy it? I can see you enjoying it. Very good, mother. Riyansh, not yet done? Kurman, did you like it? Very good. All right. So now you can make lots of these and go and give it to everybody. Maybe you'll spread a little bit of joy. The Grinch will help us spread some joy. Okay. So now let's keep this aside and we'll get ready for the next one. You can wipe your hands if they've become a little dirty. And we're going to get ready for our next one. We're going to start with the cookies. Yeah, we're still going to need a chopping board because we have a few more strawberries we want to chop and keep. Okay. So next we're going to make, first we're going to make our, we'll just prepare our strawberries and keep. Okay. So 4 more strawberries, chop off the tops and keep. We will do a preparation and keep. So 4 more strawberries, just chop off the tops off. Yes, ready everybody? Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make some glue that you can eat. Can you eat Fevicol? Can you eat gum? No, right? That's not something we can eat. But when we want to stick some cookies together or we want to do something fun, we're going to learn how to make a glue that you can eat, because that glue is made out of sugar. Okay, so let's take our icing sugar. Okay, we need 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. We will also need a little bit of water and a little bit of lime juice. Okay, everyone bring that in front. So you need 1 bowl which has the icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, then you can use powdered sugar with a little bit of corn flour. It's written the recipe in your email, so you can check that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take half teaspoon, very little. So half teaspoon you'll find in your measuring cups. It's written 1/2. That is half teaspoon. So we're going to take half a teaspoon of water and we're going to put it in our icing sugar. And we're going to take half a teaspoon of lemon juice and we're going to put it in our icing sugar. Right? Only a little bit. Don't put too much. So if we put extra water in something, can we remove it out? If you drink extra water, can you take it out? No. But if you drink little by little, you can put as much as you want. So same way, we're going to put little by little so that we don't make it too liquidy. Okay. Now hold the bowl with your hand and with a spoon, start stirring it and mixing it. We don't want thin. Like Fevicol is a little bit thick, like that we're going to make it. Okay. Come on, let's stir it. Very good. So keep stirring it. It will be a little bit thick like this, but keep stirring it and keep stirring it till you reach this consistency. See, it should become like this. Smooth, it is called. Smooth running consistency. Consistency means how thick something is. Can everyone see this easily? So you need to keep stirring it. If you're using powdered sugar, it might be a little grainy. That's okay. Parents will look into that. But if you're using icing sugar, you will make it like this. It will take about a minute. So just keep stirring it. If you find it is too thick, add just a drop, not much. Just 1 or 2 drops of lime juice or water. But don't add too much. Okay? Everybody done with it? Give me a thumbs up. Then I'll move ahead. Show me your glue. Yeah? Let me see your glue. Ready? Now this glue you can even taste. So we'll do a taste test later on. Or do you all want to do the taste test now? Now or later? Now? Okay. So what we'll do is, we'll just take our little pinky finger. Little finger. And just put a dot on it. And taste it. Yummy. So wipe your hands before you start anything else. Does it taste good? Now remember, don't eat up all of it, okay? You have to use it. Don't finish the whole thing. Okay. So now what we'll do is, we will start first with our second one, which is also a Santa hat. First one, the Grinch was wearing a Santa hat. This time we're going to have an Oreo. Okay. So we're going to use our Oreos and we're going to use our strawberries and the glue. Okay. So all we do is we keep our Oreos down. Now you can again watch me first, okay? Everybody hands up, hands behind your back. So you watch me make one full Santa hat first and then you start making it, okay? So I'm going to take my Oreo, okay? I'm going to take a nice big spoon of my glue, okay? Put it over here. I'm going to drop it onto my Oreo, all right? Don't spread it, let it drop. It will automatically start spreading, okay? So I'm just going to press it like this a little bit, dab, 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 so that it starts spreading. Add a little bit more. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to press, just gently tap it. See, it's all in the center right now. I want it to spread around my cookie. So I'm just gently, not very hard, very gently going to tap it like this. Can you see my circle is becoming bigger now? I can tap it to all the sides. And slowly, slowly, I'm going to make my circle bigger and bigger. Okay, watch first, then I'll watch you do it. So now that I have a nice big circle, I can place my Santa's hat on it. Oops, dropped it. Yeah. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of my glue and put a tiny dot on top. There you go, a cute little Santa's hat. So you have a nice healthy fruit also, you have your favorite Oreo cookie also, and together it makes a nice snack. Alright, so everybody, let's make 4. Come on, you can all try them now. Once you're done, you can show me. So remember, put a small circle in the center and then tap it and spread it around. Tap and spread. Make the small circle bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
I think Varun is all ready with his Santa cap.
Oh yes, very nice, madam. Excellent, you're working fast. Very good, Arhan. Aliza, yes, Aliza, put the glue on it and then put your strawberry on it. So it's good to cook, right? Because you get to eat along with it. And when you're cooking with such fun ingredients, I think everyone's going to always want to cook. Yes, very good. So next time somebody comes over or you have to carry something to give someone, do you think you can try making these kind of snacks for them?
I am sure they will do that.
And is it
Now there
something
some of
yeah, they can do it all by themselves, right?
exactly. And some of them are already enjoying it.
Yeah. Looks like an early lunch for all of them.
I think Madhav is done with the second one too.
Wonderful. Yes, very good.
And Varun is ready with all 4.
Excellent. Oh, lovely. Looks so nice and festive. So this one, if you keep it for some time, like for half an hour or so, then the glue will start becoming hard. The same way like how Fevicol becomes hard, even this one will become hard. So if you keep it for some time, it will become hard and it will just stay in its place. And now that it's cold also, it will become hard with you. Okay, so while you are making this, I can ask all the parents to go and get a glass of hot water. We're going to need hot water to melt our chocolate. So they can go and melt it. So they can get the hot water. All the children, you must remember the water is going to be very hot. So you're not going to do this part. This part your parents will do for you. Okay, very hot water we don't touch. Right? So everybody, let's get some hot water. So now let's get ready with the next things. We need hot water. We need our gems. Now remember, we need our gems to decorate. Let's not eat it before we start decorating. Okay? We can snack on it after we've decorated our cookies. Okay? Let's get your dairy milk and let's get a new paintbrush. Okay? Not something you use for paint. And we will also use our glue that we've made and the round cookies that you have. Whichever size, shape you have, that's okay. And the round cookies. Remove your round cookies also. If you don't have round cookies, it's okay. We can even use square ones. It's fine. Everybody ready with it? I see you all are still setting up. Okay, I'll wait. Yes, Sani, I'm waiting. Now, in our hot water, without opening the dairy milk. Okay, now we have 2 dairy milks, right? So, 1 dairy milk, give it to your parent and they are going to put it inside the hot water without opening it. Okay, and the second dairy milk you have to hold in your hands. Okay, now we have to try and melt this dairy milk. Yeah, yes, it's okay. If you're using chocolate sauce also, it's fine. You can remove the chocolate sauce in a bowl and keep, and you can use that also. Okay, those who have the chocolate can use it. If you don't have the chocolate, you can also use your edible glue, no problem. Okay, now we're going to do an experiment. Is everybody ready? 1 you put inside hot water with the cover, and the second one, hold it in your hands and start rubbing. Let's see, can you melt it with the heat of your hands? Yes, Varun, you have a question? Come on, let's try. Can you heat it with the heat of your hands? Is everyone trying it? Push, rub, rub, rub. Let me see if you can do it. Yes, Madhav. Yes, Arhan. Let's see who's going to be faster. Is the hot water going to be faster or are you going to be faster? Is it starting to melt also or no? What happens in the summer when you forget a chocolate in your pocket and you go out into the playground to play, and then when you come back and you put your hands in your pocket, what happens to that chocolate? It melts fully, right? Why does it melt in the summer but not in the winter? Think. Can you tell your parent why it happens? Why does it melt in the summer and not in the winter? Because of the heat. In the summer, it's so hot around everywhere that the heat just melts the chocolate. Now it's winter, we are rubbing it also so much, we're putting so much heat on it, but still our chocolate is not melting. It's still so hard. That's because it's so cold around. But the chocolate that we put inside the hot water, if we touch it, after a few minutes, it will melt. Okay, so we let that be with the parents, let them melt the chocolate and then give it to you. Okay, then they'll open it and give it to you. So parents, just let it be in the hot water while we're doing the other things. Just let it be in the hot water, and then once it melts, then we can give it to the children. Okay.
Varun, if you have any question, you can chat with us.
Okay, should I move ahead?
Yes, Chef, I think you can do that. I have sent a message. If there is any questions, I will.
Perfect. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 types of cookies. So I'm going to show you the types of cookies that you can make using the melted chocolate and your gems. Are you all ready to see it? Thank God, I'm getting it for you. So the first cookie we're going to learn how to make is a reindeer cookie. Does it look cute like a reindeer? Yeah? We're going to learn how to make a reindeer cookie. Then these are some examples of what else you can make. You can even make a Christmas tree. For Christmas tree, you'll have to remove all your gems and remove all the green color gems. Then you can make a Christmas tree. We can also make a wreath. And today we'll also make a snowman with 3 circles. One for the face, one for the body, one for the rest of the body. Okay? Here are some other types of cookies you all can decorate. These are all from our DIY kits, but these are all different types which you can do with the same kind of glue. Yeah. Okay. So should we get started? So open your gems packets, everybody. Open your gems packets and let's remove 2 red color gems. Those are going to be for our reindeers. And for your snowman also remove any 3 gems, whichever color you like. Whatever is your favorite color, you can remove. Today I'm going to use 2 yellow and I'll use 1 blue just to make it look different. Okay. These are going to be the buttons of your snowman. For the nose of your snowman, you can get us orange color gem because it has a carrot nose, right? So we can do an orange gem for that. Okay. So open your gems packets and remove the right colors of gems. Don't eat the rest. We can still use them. Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is with our glue, we're going to stick them onto our cookies. So for the reindeer, the nose, we need to keep it a little below. So this is the center of your cookie. This is the center of your cookie. The nose has to come little bit below because we still need place for the eyes and the, what are these called? Tell your parents what they're called. Antlers. Alright. So we just take a little bit of our edible glue. Small dot. Very small dot. And at the bottom half of your circle, we put a small little dot of our glue and we stick our reindeer's nose. Okay, let's make 2. We'll make at least 2 reindeers. One is Rudolph, one is Rudolph's friend. If Rudolph gets tired, then he'll have a friend. Small little dot. And then that goes on top. Okay. While our chocolate is melting, we'll still continue with the rest. We'll start with our snowman also. Okay. So for the snowman, the nose will go in the center of the circle. We'll give it a small little dot for the nose when we put the orange gem over there. Yes. And let's put buttons for our snowman. Again, there is one more way you can do it. If you're finding it difficult to put the glue on the cookie, you can hold the gem in your hand. You can put a dot of glue on the gem. Since you all have little fingers, they're very good to do all this work. All our big fingers, we find it difficult. With little fingers, you can do it so easily. You can hold it and turn it around and stick your button on. Don't you wish your buttons of your clothes were also made out of gems? Then you can just, whenever you feel hungry, just take one out and eat it. Okay, let's put 3 buttons for our snowman. You can use any color that you like. Everyone's hard, concentrating with so much focus. Are you all done? Should I move on? Should we do the next step? Yes? No? Some are saying no, some are saying yes.
Yes, I think it's a mix of yes and no's.
I'll wait 2 more minutes. You all can make your buttons. While they are doing this, parents, you can just check on your dairy milk. Just be careful, the water will be pretty hot. Just press it and see if it presses and it becomes liquid. Then what you can do is just cut it open from the top and keep it in a bowl for the children, but they'll have to use it immediately. Yeah? So just cut it open when we're just going to start using it, so that it stays melted. Because it's quite cold, it becomes hard pretty soon. So once they're done with this part, we'll cut open the dairy milk. We'll just check till then, parents, if it's melted. Yeah, good. All right, I think so now we should move on. So now they're going to give you the melted chocolate. So take the melted chocolate and your brush. Okay, so even I have some melted chocolate here. I'm going to use my brush and now I'm going to paint with chocolate. Have you ever done that before, painting with chocolate? So we're going to give our reindeer cute little 2 eyes. Okay, remember, eyes go above the nose. Let's not have a reindeer with eyes going here and there. Okay, so 2 cute little eyes and then antlers, right? So for antlers, take more. Take a little bit more and then, oops, and then we can paint some antlers. Okay, don't worry if it falls here and there, you can always wipe it off. Yeah, so we'll give him some antlers. Now remember, they're not just 2, they have little things coming out of them also. So we can make all of those. Yeah. So let's make 2 reindeers like this. Eyes, I'll do it again for you all. 2 eyes. And antlers. So even if you have a square one, you can even do this on a square biscuit also, no problem. And then we'll do our snowman. So you'll want to watch me do the snowman also. Should I do it now itself or should I wait? No response means everyone is doing something.
Yes, they're all busy.
Everyone is very busy.
They're all busy.
Okay, I'll just do with the snowman on the side. Again, just 2 small little eyes for our snowman. And you can also give your snowman a cute little smile. And then we'll give him some hands. I think everyone knows one famous snowman from a cartoon that everybody loves. He kind of looks like that, doesn't he? All right, and we'll give him 2 twig arms. Yeah, so that can be your snowman. And if you want to make a Christmas tree while your chocolate is still melted, I'll show you Christmas tree also. For Christmas tree, you have to take and paint a full triangle. Now, how many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides, right? So we have to make a 3-sided shape, which is a triangle. So you can just hold it and press your paint with it, just like how you would paint with very thick paint. And paint the whole triangle, and then you can stick as many gems on it as you want. If you want a colorful Christmas tree, you can do a colorful Christmas tree also. Okay, so this will be where your gems will stick, and you need to give a step. If you don't want to stick gems, you can always leave them like this also. They look cute even like this. You can write your name with it. Anybody wants to write the name of the starting alphabet also, you can do that. Okay. Once you're done with all of it, to clean your brush. You clean your brush with water, right? But to clean this brush, you can give it to your parents and they clean it with hot water, and then you can use it again for the next time you want to paint something with food. Let me see, has anyone made anything? Let me see what you all have made. Oh, very cute, Shivan. Very cute reindeer. Very nice, Neha. Gurman, very cute. Excellent. Everybody enjoying? All right, okay. So now we need to hurry up. We need to make a house. I'm just going to show you all how to make it, and then you all can make it because it takes a little bit of time. Okay? Everybody ready? So let me show you how to make a house. For that, we need our Parle G biscuits or any square biscuits. They should be a little bit hard. And we need a grater. Okay? So this you all just are going to watch right now. Don't do it right now. Just watch me. And then you all can do it later on safely with your parents. Because you need to use a grater for this. You need to do it with them. Okay? So just watch. So what we're going to do is, I'll show you what kind of house we're going to make. Can you all see the house? This is a baby house. I'll later on show you an actual full gingerbread house also. I've made that also from our kids. I'll show you that also. Okay. So this is what the house is going to look like. So totally how many cookies do we need? Let's count. 2 for the roof. 1 for front. 1 for back. That's how many cookies? 2 plus 2. 4 cookies. And 2 for the sides. That's how many cookies? 6 cookies. But I'm going to show you how to make it with just 5 cookies. We're going to learn how to half a cookie. So 1 cookie, we're just going to hold it from the center and break it into 2 halves. Now we have 2 cookies. So that's 1, 2. 2 for the roof and 2 for the side. Okay. So now the side cookies, we need to grate them and make them into a triangle shape. You have to do this very slowly. If you do it very hard, or if you hold the cookie very hard, then the cookie is going to break like this. Okay. So we need to go a little bit slowly. Right. Hold the grater and with the other corner, you're just going to gently start grating the cookie so that you get an angle. Do you know what an angle is? A slanting line. All right. So we have to do the angle, the slanting line from one side. And then after we made it slightly from one side, we have to do it with the other side. Okay. So now it's not equal, right? This one is smaller, this one is longer. We need to do it till we make it equal. Be careful when you start coming to this part because the tip might break. Right? So like this, you have to make 2 pieces. Okay? So after you make 2 pieces like this, then you have to assemble it with your glue. So you take your glue, you take your half pieces, right? And you have to put your glue where you're going to attach the walls together. So you put some glue over here. You take your other side piece and you attach them together. Now you have to hold this like this for 2 minutes till it dries out. Okay. Right now I'm leaving it, but actually you have to hold it in place till it dries out. Then the same way you're going to do the other side. Right? And keep holding it till it doesn't dry. See, otherwise it will start falling, right? So right now I won't complete it because I think we are going way into lunchtime. So once you hold it like this, it will take you about 10 minutes for these two to dry. Then you put your back one, right? Let that also dry out. Once those are dry, then at this part you have to put more glue and put your roof. Okay? Got it, everyone? Your parents will help you for this one because this will take a little bit of time. In the meantime, I'll show you a gingerbread house. So you can see this one. This is a big gingerbread house that we completely decorated with all different types of candy. So you all can make a mini version of that with cookies. Okay? Good. Did everyone enjoy today? Oh, lovely. I can see yours, Varun. Looks lovely, your tray of cookies. So now you make a nice big tray of cookies and you keep it with your Christmas tree for Santa. Maybe Santa will eat all of them. Good, Nina. Good, Aarti. Done?
Thank you so much. I think this was amazing. I can't wait to try all the recipes and all the cookies, the Grinch and the Santa Claus cookies. I can't wait to try all these things myself. So children, did you all enjoy? Show me a thumbs up. All of you. Yes, I can see that they really thoroughly enjoyed the session, and I can see few of them are still, trying out and making things. They're so engrossed, and I'm very sure all the parents enjoyed it too. Great tips shared with us. The techniques, it was amazing. So children, I hope you all enjoyed it. And thank you so much, Chef Ekta, for taking out time for us.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm sure you all have some way of sending pictures or something. Do share some with me also. I'd love to see what everyone has made.
We will surely do that.
I can see here. I'm sure the others can also let us know.
We will surely do that. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank our Director Principal, Dr. Amrita Vora, our Communication Head, Ms. Sugandha Khandelwal, our parents, and our Junior Master Chefs. And let me remind all of you, our Christmas celebration does not end here. We are all super excited to see you all dressed up as Santa for another fun-filled event. And once again, thank you so much, Ekta ma'am, for giving our Junior Master Chef this amazing experience. And with this, we would end our live session here. I will see all of you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. Thank you so much.